Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be making ornaments for our tree with fake snow with two different designs, one with glitter and one with tree branches, both very cute and very fun to make. So starting with our first look here, we're going to need a clear ornament. They sell these giant ones at the dollar store or Dollar Tree, a bit of glitter, little ornaments to put inside, fake snow, and tree branches. We're using our fake mixing snow and we're measuring out 1 teaspoon and mixing it with a 1/4 cup of water. You can also go up to 1/2 cup of water. The more water, the slushier the snow will look. To make putting the snow into the ornament pretty easy, you can use a funnel and just scoop the snow inside, breaking up any larger chunks in the process. Then we used our handy chopstick to push the snow inside. Now, we used the smallest measurement of the snow powder and you can see just how much it made, so we're definitely going up in volume for the next look, but this gives you a better idea. A little goes a long way. Now we're going to add some tree branches. You can use fake or real ones, it's all up to you. And for even more fun, we're adding little Christmas lights inside. You can also add little figurines, whatever will fit through that ornament opening. For the final touch, we're adding our silver shimmering extra fine craft glitter glue, which already comes in this tube, so it makes the application really easy. We're adding some dots on the side. Now it does take a little bit of time to dry, so once you add the glue, set it aside to let it set. Once it's all dry, you're done and you have this super cute handmade ornament that's ready to hang or be given as a gift. For our second look, we have the same items, but we're adding glitter and spray to help it stay on the ornament. Again, using our fake mixing snow here, this time we're putting it directly in the ornament because we wanted to see if that was easier than our other method, and I have to say it worked pretty well. This time we're adding more powder than our first look, about 3 tablespoons, and adding water gradually. The great thing about the snow is that you don't have to mix it. You just literally pour water on it and it's good to go. If the snow seems dry, go ahead and add more water. And if you accidentally add too much water, don't worry, it does dry out, so just wait about 24 hours for the water to evaporate, but eventually it will get back to its normal consistency. And again, we're shaking it a little bit to break up some of the bigger pieces. To add the glitter on top, you can either use Mod Podge and brush it on or use spray adhesive. Just keep in mind that it dries really fast, so have everything ready before you start. We're using our gold shimmering extra fine craft glitter, and you can really get creative here and make any design you want. We do want that snow to peek through a little bit, so we're not covering the whole ornament, just a few strips here and there. There's one more step you want to take, and that's spray the whole thing with a matte setting spray. Mod Podge makes a really nice one, and that will just keep the glitter on and prevent fall off. So now we're done and decorating our tree with these fun ornaments. Really, you're creating something that's just one of a kind, and you can personalize it as much as you want. Just a quick tip, the snow is going to last a few days, but if it seems dry, just add a little bit of water to hydrate it. We did want to see what a full pack of this would look like, so we mixed the whole pack, and as you can see, it's so much fun. So we hope this tutorial gives you an idea of how to make your very own ornament. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.